Here's my quad retrofit, my G8. Got Maximas modded with the mini H1 shields, 45K XB35 TRS bulbs with the 35 watt XB35 ballasts. I'll zoom in. See the steps. They are pretty wide. I mean, I have no complaints. They are a lot better than my just having the mini H1s in here. So, and then my other, I got some 3.0 FXRs. 2.5 inch for my highs. The left one, I broke the two things, the two nubs where it plugs into the ballast, and I've been having problems. I think that's what that little glare is right there in the center. See, it's gone now. The bulb isn't seated properly, so I just gotta. I got more bulbs, so I can just put a new set in. Also, I have some halos. I don't know how well you'll be able to see them. We'll turn the halos on. Turn the lights off. I have the LED tail lights. I just turned them off though.